Social media activist Martins Vincent Otse, popularly known as Verydarkman (VDM), comes for billionaire son Kiddwaya as he heavily ridicules him for seeking donation from the public for Benue victims. Recall that yesterday, Kiddwaya had faced intense criticisms after he solicited donation for the Yelwata victims of Saturday attack. He had promptly deleted the post after heavy backlash. Verydarkman berated him for seeking donations from people to donate to the victim whose need he does not know. He further noted how Kiddwaya constantly brags about his wealth, but wants people to now donate cash to Benue people. Verydarkman partly said,
"How would you know what the Benue people need when you don't even go there? You just do wherever you dey. You just write one nonsense letter and you can't drop account number." I am happy that nobody contributed, and I am happy that Nigerians rebuke you to the point where we say you go delete them. It sweets my body, because you na guy man where they come online come brag about your wealth every time. You rub your wealth on people's face, show say now you get money pass, now you better pass every Nigerian. Recently, you carry $30,000, according to the video where we see. Say you use $30,000 buy one pack of jollof rice from White Money. Do you understand? Next thing now they come. You never even go there say, okay, let me use my money to do so thing, because you claim to be richer than every other person, every other youth in the country. You never even do anything. You don't rush, go drop account number.
Verydarkman criticized Kiddwaya, saying he has not visited his home state, Benue, to see the victims of the recent attacks. Instead, he came online to solicit donations on their behalf. While this has generated mixed reactions online, we'll continue to monitor the story for more fresh news updates. Keep watching Naija News TV.